Hello friends, my name is Ranjit. Welcome to our channel, and this video we will learn about the print function of Python, how we can use print function, what the use of print function, right? So print function, right? Print function. So basically print function is a inbuilt function inbuilt function of Python, right? And it prints the results. So basically we use to print the result, we use this print function. So now first we take this small function print, right? So here it is showing 4 parameters: values, sep, separator, and file and plus. So these 4 are optional, sep and file plus, but values is mandatory, right? So it is optional, either you can use or not, right? So simply suppose basically Python accept single or double quotes. So let us see. So if we take single quotes and we take a string. If we take a string, suppose hello world, right? So this is a simply print function, and we take a string hello world and written within a single quotes, right? So if you run this print function, so you can see the result is hello world, right? So you can say there is no issues of written a string in within a single quote. Suppose if we write a string in double quotes, right? If we write a string in double quotes, right? Same string if we write in double quotes, right? So here we have written the hello world in within the single quotes, here we written the string within the double quotes. So right, and now if we run this program, if we run this print function, so you can see in both the cases hello world is printed. That means Python accepts a string in within single quotes or double quotes. So if you write a string in single quote or double quotes, so there is no problem. Python accepts both the format. So both the format Python accepts, right? Now if you write print and suppose you take the integer value, right? So this is integer value. If you run this, then again it will print the hello world and 10, right? So it prints the successfully 10. Suppose if you want to print, if you write, suppose if you write like 10 plus 10, so what it will do, it will add the two values 10 and 10, it will give the result 20, right? So now you can see the result is 20, right? And so in this way you can if you use this multiplication sign, then it will multiply, right? So it is 100, right? So this is just simple. Now again print. Now here we will see, suppose if we want house going, right? If we write like this, so what will happen in this case? It will successfully run, right? But if you write this in within single quotes, right? Now if suppose in single quotes, now we write same string house going, same string we have written oh, uh, how how's going. Suppose it is not taking accept the string. Okay, no issue. Like suppose we write like this in double quotes house double quotes, right? If we write how's going, I don't know, it is not taking, I don't know. Okay, okay, suppose here we want to discuss actually the suppose if you want to uh, here we want to write how how's going, right? And if we write like this, right? So this we want to actually want to write, right? So in this case it will give the error, it will not, right? So it will give the error, syntax error, right? So this is the case. If we write here here if we write here the backslash before this single quote, then it would be successfully executed, right? It will not give the any error how's going, right? So that means that is also called escape character that we can also call this, right? So in the single quotes and another we want to use the single quote, then it will give the error, like if you write like this, so it will give the error. So if you want to use like this, then you will have to use the backslash character, so then it will not give any error, then it will not give any error, it will be successfully executed, right? And one more thing, and one more thing, in print function if we use triple quotes, Python why we use this triple quote, supports oops concept, right? So in this way if you write this, then it will print the result in 3 lines, but then first Python, then support, then oops. If you run this, you can see it printed the result, sorry, it printed the result in 3 line, Python, then supports, then oops concept. So it is also called a triple quotes this is also called a multi-line string. So why in this way we can write the text in multi-line, right? So right, this is the thing. Now other thing I want to tell you, suppose this is a print function, if you write right, if you written like this, then it is a integer value, right? You can check also, right? For checking this type of data type of variable, you can check suppose by using print function, right? So it will tell the data type of 10, right? Type function, so you can see that is integer type, right? So if we write like in single quotes 10, right? In single quotes if we write integer value 10, then now it is not a it is not a integer value. Now it is a string. Now you can see the type of database data type. So now it is string type, right? The value is integer, but we are written in the single quotes, that's why it is a string data type, not a integer, right? So right, and other than this, suppose we take a value 10, x equals to 10 and y equals to 20, and we can print like this, x plus y. So it would successfully execute it and give the value x plus y 30, right? Now if we change and we use here the string hello, now we want to combine x plus y, what will happen in this case? In this case it will give error. In this case it will give error, that is type error. We cannot directly combine a string and a number, right? We can, if we take another string, suppose we take another string world, right? We can now run this. Hello world, right? But we cannot combine a number and a string like this, right? So by using formatting we can combine a string and number, but in this way we cannot combine, it will give the error, that is a type error, right? So directly we cannot combine, right? Because, right, so this is the all the small uses of print function in Python, right? You can learn these concepts, right? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks a lot.